This topic is simplifying with double angle formulas and solving equations with double angle formulas. The resource is from the IVSL book on page 268. If you want to go through this investigation process on page 268, you're welcome to do so. The double angle formulas are here. If you want to pause and write them down in your notes. Notice that the cosine of 2u has 3 formulas. What we're going to do is find the sine of 2x and the cosine of 2x. And we've been given that the sine of x is 3/5 and the cosine of x is -4/5. And we're going to find the sine of 2x. We're going to choose the top formula and substitute it in. So go ahead and write this down. So now we should substitute in to the formula that I've circled in the blue. 2, and then the sine of x, which the sine of x is 3/5, and then the cosine of x is -4/5. And now we're going to multiply across. So think of that 2 as a fraction, 2 over 1, and we have 3 over 5, and then -4 over 5. Multiplying across, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times -4 is -24, 1 times 5 is 25. So the sine of 2x is -24/25. Part B is asking you to find the double angle of the cosine of 2x. So now you have 3 choices. It doesn't matter which one of these 3 you choose for the double angle. I'm going to just choose the top one. So cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. So cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. And now we replace the cosine of x, -4/5. And remember, this is squared, so we have to square this value. And then 3/5 is the sine of x, so it's -3/5. And that has to be squared. Now we'll simplify it. So when we multiply fractions together. So this is -4/5 times -4/5. Multiplying across, -4 times -4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. Come over to the second fraction. 3/5 times 3/5. Multiply across. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we can combine those 2 fractions together. Our denominators are the same, they're both 25. So 16 minus 9 is 7 over 25. So the cosine of 2x is 7/25.